Welcome to Mr. Cox's Supercharged and Intercooled Science. We're going to erupt a volcano today. This one, I believe, is a cinder cone volcano, maybe. Maybe it's a lava dome. I can't see the dome inside of it, but we're going to use vinegar, baking soda, red paint. You can use red food coloring instead. I find the paint makes it even a little more impressive as far as looking at lava. Some dishwashing soap, just a squirt. You don't want way too much. And baking soda, you want to use these in copious amounts. Hey, notice I have my safety glasses on so I don't get my eyes burn out. Not really, but we don't want anything hit us in the eyes. This is a mild acid-base reaction, so we shouldn't have anything being burnt out. Let me put a squirt of dish soap in. This allows it to bubble more when it erupts. Some red paint. You don't need massive quantities of it. You'll have more trouble cleaning it up if you get too much. Not getting a whole lot of red paint to come out of there. Do this. Kind of dried up from a few months ago. Somebody probably didn't get it capped really well. Red paint. What's kind of cool about that, if you save your volcano, then the red paint will look like lava running down it, even after you're done using it. Are you ready? I think all systems are go. I'm going to use vinegar now. And let her go. I prefer to do this close to a sink to minimize the amount of mess. It looks really cool with the mess it makes. But we don't want to overdo it and have it all over the floor, do we now, children? That. Yay. It's an eruption. I don't know if anybody's been watching the news lately, but we've been having a lot of eruptions around the world. This type is fun that we're playing with here, but in reality, they can be very serious. I'm still getting some on the floor. I'm going to have a mess to clean up later. Sometimes we do this as a class and take them outside. I've done this also in class next to the sink and compared to see who could get the largest eruption and eruptions that will go the longest. You notice this is cold. You don't want to stick your fingers in most reaction, but I know what this is. It's just baking soda and vinegar. It gets cold, but it won't really hurt you. Notice that most of the paint's come out by now. I just chunked off a piece of the volcano by accident. There's some food coloring to make it continue to look red. Red food coloring, yes. Look at that. Got some baking soda mix on my hands. That is the awesomeness of a volcanic eruption. This one was waiting to be erupted. It had not been erupted yet. If you're doing this with the ones with a bottle in it, you have to be careful. You want your safety glasses on. You want to step back very quickly. You can take a little cork that fits in the size of the mouth of the bottle, cork it right quickly, right after you pour the vinegar in, and run for it. It will build pressure, pop the cork. It might go quite a few feet in the air. It could shoot sideways, especially if you've got a volcano that's leaning sideways. And that's why you need your safety glasses. You need to be careful. But it can make it really cooler. eruption as well. That's all for that video. I'll catch you in the next one. Mr. Cox at Supercharged and Intercooled Science. Science can be fun.